You're never gonna guess what is inside this bag. The logo is blue, a blue ribbon, so you know what that means. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from today's video, today I have a huge Hermès unboxing for you guys today, and we have quite a lot of products. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items that I have to unbox. So I say we dive straight in. What do you say? Okay, ladies and gents, I'm going to start off with the ready-to-wear pieces that I got from Hermès. Now, if you're returning back to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here again. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Benita, and on this channel, we love all things luxury fashion and styling, so please don't forget to subscribe. I hope that everyone had an incredible Christmas and end of the year, whether you got all that your heart desires this year, even if you didn't get any gifts at all this year, just making it to the end of this 2025 is enough, okay? I honestly can't tell you the amount of times I cried myself to sleep this year, and this started in April when I started a business. I run a marketing agency. Honestly, it has its high and lows, you know. For the first part of Q1 and Q2, it was an absolute roller coaster, but thankfully I found my feet. I'm back on YouTube, and let's just say it has been a very rewarding year. So I'm so glad to have you here with me and show you some pieces that I'm loving lately that I got from Hermès. So the first piece I got is something that I don't have anything like this in my closet actually. I got a piece from Hermès's fall winter 2025 collection, and it is this gorgeous 100% cashmere coat. I think it's just honestly the softest cashmere I've ever felt in my entire life. When it comes to cashmere and leather, no one does it quite like Hermès, I would say. So that is something that I quite like to invest in. From Hermès, I feel like they do silk, leather and cashmere incredibly well. You've got this like buckle situation at the collar, which I think is quite cool. You've got like a tie belt situation. I think it's a nice piece that I can wear with my cashmere lounge sets all winter. So I really love that addition to my closet. And this color as well that I opted for, this beautiful cream, is perfect because it's so versatile. You can wear it with black, you can wear it with neutrals. I mean, 10 out of 10. I love it. Diving into another ready-to-wear piece I got from Hermès. This one I'm so incredibly excited for. I got another cashmere piece. This is 100% cashmere vest. I do enjoy wearing a lot of waistcoats and gilets during winter. You know, I love to layer like a turtleneck, a waistcoat over it. I think it's just such a clean, classic look. I opted for this collar, which is sort of like a rich dark brown color. What my lighting is showing right now on the camera. You have your zip situation, very nice sturdy zips. I got this one actually in a size 38. When I bought this, I thought about what I have currently in my closet, like my gold Birkin, my mini Kelly. I feel like these pieces are all going to work very well together. Also, the hardware is silver, so I think that's going to pair very beautifully with my palladium hardware bags. Okay, so now we're going to go through these boxes. This honestly feels like an Hermès marathon. I'll be honest with you, an Hermès marathon is the only type of marathon that I'm trying to run in 2026. I mean, so should we start with these cute little items? So I got something, and this is a cute little accessory. And I got this because of what you will find in this box. We're just gonna place that to the side. Next item I got is for a bag that's honestly going to blow your mind when you see what's in there. This is going to be like a little hint. Well, not quite, or maybe. I got this really cute twilly. I do enjoy tying twillies on my Hermès items, and sometimes actually I like to use them as a scarf as well. Next, I got something actually which I've already opened this item and I've already worn it because I got it last month, but I put it back in here for you just to show you. I got a belt. This is the Kelly belt from Hermès, but this is in the color Rouge Ash, which is honestly one of my favorite colors that Hermès does. I have a Kelly 25 in Rouge Ash, which is somewhere in my closet. I love a bit of matchy-matchy situation. I do like when my outfits have that coordination to them. And I think this belt is going to pair beautifully with my bag, and perhaps even like other burgundy items in my closet as well. I got another Hermès Kelly belt. This one in the color noir, which is just like your classic black, and palladium hardware as well. This might be a little hint into the quarter bag that I'm going to show you that I got today. I got something very special. This is probably, I haven't opened this one yet actually, because I got it this December. A classic, I would say, and I loved it so much that I got my mom the same scarf as well, so we can be twinning. I like that, you know, I do like to twin with my mom. I mean, why not? I got a very gorgeous, this is the, gonna come close so you can see that, Bride de Gala. It's a very beautiful classic piece, and I love the color so much because I wear a lot of black. And I got this Hermès ring to basically wear together with my scarf like that. I mean, I'm probably not wearing it properly because I can't really see anything, but yeah, I think it's a nice piece. I love Hermès scarves very much. So we have 2 more items. I have a pair of shoes and a quarter bag. Okay, so I got something that I have had on my wish list for a while actually, like this particular style of shoe. I've always wanted to get it, and it is the Hermès Osmium. These are the Osmium with palladium hardware, which honestly can't tell you how much I've grown to love and really fall in love with silver hardware these days, because for the most part I've always been a gold hardware kind of girl, but I love palladium hardware so much in shoes and bags and that sort of thing. It would actually even go really well with what I'm currently wearing, like a black top, some jeans, and of course your mules. They're perfect for summer and that sort of thing. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, this is a bag that I've had on my wish list for 3 years, exactly 3 years. When I first saw this bag, I saw this bag online. I normally keep up with like Hermès trends and like new bags that they introduce and that sort of. I have a fashion blog where I write about Hermès and that sort of thing. I wanted this bag. However, I asked my essay, how realistic is it that I can get this bag, considering like my pre-spend and everything? And she told me that I would have to spend a little bit more to get this bag because it's a very special bag, as you'll see. I'm just gonna unbox this bag and show you, and then of course we can get into the details of everything. So I don't know if you can see, a blue dust bag with the blue ribbon, so it's very special. You're never gonna guess what is inside this bag. The logo is blue with a blue ribbon, so you know what that means. I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer. I present to you my dream bag. Wow. A Birkin Cargo in a size 25 in the color noir with palladium hardware. Okay, so we're gonna take everything off. I said to my essay that I really wanted a cargo. I wanted a cargo Birkin, specifically in a 25, right? And the #1 bag on my wish list has been a cargo Birkin. I had a cargo Birkin on my wish list. I had a Rouge like Birkin or Kelly. So I'd asked my essay, how realistic was it that I would ever get offered like a Birkin 25 in cargo? And she said that I would have to spend a little bit more, like up my pre-spend a bit. So what I did, so I would normally spend in categories like ready to wear, which I love Hermès ready to wear anyway, like their cashmere lounge sets, their silks, and thankfully my boyfriend likes Hermès, so normally I would get him to spend under my profile as well. Before I continue my story, this is a cargo Birkin, size 25, and the color is in noir, so it is completely black. I hope that is showing up well on camera. It has a mix of canvas and Swift leather, which the bag is basically made out of. You have this like pocket situation, which I think will be so useful. What I love the most about this bag, it's sort of got that utilitarian sort of vibe, you know? I am someone that uses my bag. I never baby any of my bags. So for example, I'm especially excited to use these pockets like on the side, maybe like slot a lipstick or 2 in here. Very useful. You have like a card holder situation here at the back. This might be quite useful to put like, I don't know, business cards or something. There are actually no pockets inside the Birkin Cargo because everything inside the bag has been brought to the exterior, which is quite interesting. And of course it has 4 feet at the bottom. So honestly beautiful. Like honestly, I am gobsmacked at the fact that I was able to score this bag. Guys, I also have to tell you the straw that broke the camel's back for me. So I saw the Birkin Cargo like online, right? There's like a few people online that have the bag. It's quite a popular bag from Hermès, very highly sought after. However, I was having dinner at one of my favorite restaurants in Mayfair, and I was sat at the table and this woman walked in with a Birkin Cargo 25. I think her collar leaned more towards the grey side. I was just so stunned at how beautiful the bag was, and she was wearing it so well. When she went to the toilet, I actually followed her, but not in like a creepy way, obviously. But then when we were washing our hands, I managed to tell her, I'm sorry, I just have to tell you how incredibly beautiful your Birkin Cargo is. And we started talking, and ever since that incident, I've been thinking about this bag like all the time. Because you know, when you see a bag online, it's like, okay, yeah, cool. Like, you know, we have like bags that we see all over social media and stuff. And then when you see the bag in person, that it's like, oh my goodness, I can't think of anything now. You literally start dreaming about that item. So that was how I felt about the Birkin Cargo. I was very eager to get this bag, right? But every time I would go to Hermès and I would like browse through ready to wear with my essay, I would always say, this looks really nice. It would go really well with a Birkin Cargo, you know? Sort of like hinting it ever so slightly, but not saying like, when am I gonna get the bag that I want? You know, I've been waiting 3 years, blah, 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 that sort of thing. I would sort of hint and be like, wow, these trousers are so nice. It would go really well with a Birkin Cargo, you know, like that sort of thing. So I'm very happy to have scored my dream bag of 2025, Hermès Birkin Cargo. Forgot to show actually, key and clochette, which the bag also comes with. I'm not sure actually how often I would wear that because the key and lock can scratch. I think I should take the stickers off on my TikTok. What do you think? So incredibly beautiful. Wow, wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that is everything I have to show you today that I got from Hermès. So now I'm gonna go and pack my suitcase for Dubai in 2 days, and that's that. And yeah, wish me luck clearing up all this mess because my apartment is an absolute mess right now. Do let me know which of these pieces were your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.